Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Annie Stacey here, and I'm back again with another DIY hair growth treatment. And this particular treatment today can actually help with excessive hair loss as well as premature graying, so make sure you stick around. So the main ingredient we are going to be using for this hair treatment is pawpaw leaves or papaya leaves, whichever way you call it. That's right. So yeah, we're going to be using papaya leaves for this treatment. This is an amazing treatment for hair growth. We're going to look at the benefits shortly, but yeah, for this video I just harvested 2 papaya leaves, and that's what I'll be using. I don't want to make a lot, so yeah, I'm just going to cut that up into smaller pieces. And you can always get papaya around. It's so common, especially here in Africa, so you can always get that around. There's no need to, I don't think they sell it in the market, or I don't know, because it's so common. I don't think anybody goes to the market to buy papaya leaves. So yeah, after chopping that up or cutting that into pieces, I'm just going to go ahead and wash it. You want to make sure you wash your leaves thoroughly to get rid of any dirt or bacteria or dust or whatever. Yeah, make sure you wash it properly. So I'm just going to wash it a couple of times and then just throw away the water, and then I'm ready for the next step. So moving on to the next step, I'm going to go ahead and transfer the clean leaves into my blender cup, because next we're going to have to blend this up. So yeah, I'm just transferring the leaves into my blender cup, and then I'll go ahead and add some water. I ended up adding about 2.5 cups of water, and I'll go ahead and blend that up. This treatment is meant to be a weekly treatment, so you can use this once a week on your hair. Now I'm done blending the papaya leaves, and I'll go ahead and use my strainer to strain out the juice, the papaya juice, because we don't need the chaffs in our hair, so just have to separate that. That's what I'm doing right now before I'm going to move on to the next step and add the other ingredients. So keep watching. When all that is done, we are left with this dark green juice. So this is how the papaya juice looks like. And right now I'll go ahead and add some castor oil. Castor oil helps to make the roots of your hair stronger and prevents excessive hair fall. It also helps to stimulate hair growth. So castor oil for the longest time has been known to promote hair growth and thicker and fuller hair as well. So yeah, I'm just going to add that. Moving on, I'm going to also add some olive oil. Olive oil helps to reduce dandruff. It keeps split ends at bay. It also strengthens and adds shine to your hair. Olive oil easily penetrates the hair shaft, making it softer and easy to manage. So yeah, it's good for naturally frizzy hair as well. So I just stir that up. We know water and oil do not mix, so yeah, if you're going to apply at this stage, you just want to shake it up and apply. But I was going to deep condition my hair, so I went ahead to prepare my oatmeal mask. If you haven't seen that, I'm going to leave the link below. I have a detailed video on how I make this mask, so I'm going to leave it below. So I just went ahead and blended my oats, and yeah, the mask is ready. And I'll go ahead and add the papaya juice into it, or the papaya extract mixed with the oils into the mask. So the oatmeal gives this silky feel and smooth feel. It helps with detangling the hair, and it also has amazing health benefits for your hair and skin. So yeah, I'm not going to go into the details of the benefits of oatmeal, but you can check out the video that I made on how to use oatmeal for your hair. I left all the details there. So now this is how the mask looks. So amazing. It has a lot of slip to it, which helps to detangle your hair because of the presence of the oat milk. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and transfer that into my applicator bottle for easy application. Of course, I would like to use this bottle because it goes directly to my scalp. And yeah, so this is how it looks. And now it's time for me to apply this mask to my hair. I'll just go ahead and section my hair out before I begin applying the hair mask. So while I'm applying the treatment on my hair, I'll go ahead and share with you guys some of the benefits of using papaya leaf extract on your hair. So papaya leaves contain strong alkaloid compounds like caffeine, which works effectively against dandruff, balding, as well as hair thinning. So yeah, most shampoos have this papaya leaf extract in them because of the presence of the caffeine compound. So it's very important for hair loss, balding, and all of that stuff. So yeah, if you want to reduce your hair fall or you're suffering from any of the above mentioned hair conditions, you want to make sure you include this in your hair regimen, and with consistency you're going to see results eventually. Papaya leaves also contain vitamin A, C, E, K, and B, and minerals like calcium, magnesium, sodium, and iron. Papaya leaf extract serves as a natural conditioner and adds shine to the hair. Yeah, so guys, just peep my shrinkage. My shrinkage is so wild today. But yeah, so let's continue. Papaya leaf extract is effective in removing dead and excess oil from the scalp. So we know that a healthy scalp is equal to a healthy hair. So all the excessive buildup that can lead to other scalp infections like dandruff are being taken care of. So papaya leaves can help prevent or fight against dandruff because it also has antifungal and antibacterial properties, which supports healthy hair or healthy scalp. So yeah, since our hair grows from the scalp, we want to always make sure that our scalp is healthy. That's why I insist on making sure you apply your treatment to your scalp, because that's where your hair grows from, and massage your hair thoroughly. Massages are very important because it helps with blood circulation and makes it easier for the product or the treatment to penetrate your hair. So yeah, we want to go ahead and do that. So papaya also helps with premature graying, like we mentioned before. So yeah, if you're suffering from premature graying or just to prevent premature graying, and for those, some people have said they've used it on their gray hair and with consistent use they experience like darkening of their hair. So you might want to give it a try. Always go ahead and do your own research before you try any DIY. So yeah, I'm just here to share with you guys what I'm doing or what I'm using on my hair. So I'm done applying and I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how my hair looks. So this is how my hair looks after applying the treatment. It's so soft, and I'll just go ahead and twist my hair up. You want to go ahead and do that. I'll go ahead and twist my hair up because I don't want it to be a huge mess. So we always work in sections. I just did it this way so I can show you how it looks. But right now I'll just go ahead and twist my hair up. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you give this video a thumbs up if you found value in it, and please subscribe to my channel below, and also make sure to turn on post notifications so that YouTube can notify you whenever I upload a new video. And please, yes, join my family. I upload new videos every Tuesdays and Saturdays, so please turn on your post notification. So yeah guys, when I'm done twisting up my hair, I'll just go ahead and, like I always do, tie it up in a plastic bag and then sit under my steaming cap. I have low porosity hair and I have to use heat to open my hair cuticles so that the products can penetrate, or the products can work better. So yeah, that's what I'm just going to do. I'm not going to film that part because I've shown you guys in other videos how I do that. So I just go ahead, cover my head with a plastic bag, and then I add my steaming cap and sit under the steaming cap for about 10 minutes, and then leave the treatment on for maybe 30 to 45 minutes before I go ahead and wash it off. So yeah, this is my hair. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.